Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm just with Claude's making some stickers, making some t-shirts, making sure that we're all restocked for Winter Matsuri. But today's episode will be from Sunday, the practice day from round 3, so hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to another episode, everyone. Today we're at Calder Park for the practice day. Right now, Group B's coming off. And just down here is Liam in the Beamer, about to go for his first track day. Send it! There he goes! Clutch kick! Bit of understeer. Yeah, well, we've got the stall all set up. Liam's out there doing his first few laps. Looks like he's having a fucking ball. He's done a few mad drifts. He's come off already, so it looks like he's learning a fair bit. The car looks like it's covered in mud, but I'll do a bit of a walk around when he gets back, see what's happened. But yeah, everyone's here today. Brody's here with his ute. Mike's here. Sam unfortunately isn't here. The dirty LSVN is just over there. I can see it. Yeah, stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.
Go back and hold the handbrake and the brake. Yep. Got it there? Yep. Come forward. Too much. Too much. Too much. So Liam had a little incident where he hit the wall. I'm not fussed, he's more fussed than me. So I had to get him back out there. We got the strap on it, we pulled it out. And yeah, he's out there doing it again. There's only one way to learn, so let's watch him. So I've just put 2 eggs and some pepper in here to try and stop a water leak. Now we're going to pressurise it all and see how it goes. Yeah, just keep it going, and then once it's hot, we're going to let it cool. So hopefully when it's set.
I think Abe's going out there.
So here's our leak. It's only just dripping now. It's ready to send. You ready? Well, I haven't got much time, so we're fixing the car. It ended up overheating. We've put some eggs in it. Liam's just talking to the track entry guy. Yeah, Liam's about to go out for his last session. He'll probably only get 3 or 4 laps until the car tries to overheat because it's got a hole in the expansion bottle. But he's going to send it, do his last few laps, and then tonight I'm going to cut the whole front end off, make a new bash bar. And yeah, we'll go from there. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. There's Mike and Daniel going at it. Mike's car looks to be smoking a little bit. Oh, Daniel's cooked it. Oh, Mike's just missed him. Clutch kick. Third gear. Come on, Mike, do the wall, do the wall. Commit, commit, commit. Decent, decent. Good effort, good effort. Whoa. Went wide then. Alright, that's the end of B class. Liam's about to go out for his last few laps until the car overheats because it's got a hole in the overflow bottle. I told him just fucking send it and we'll fix it and deal with the consequences tonight. There's Liam's little head there. Shout out to the truck entrance dude, he's a cool dude. Here he goes. Go, go, go! Go! Something fell off the car. Oh, he spun out!
Easily even better now doing start
There's Liam, third car from the corner now. Here he goes. Clutch kick. Yeah, made the whole corner, yeah. Next one, handbrake, clutch kick. Oh, 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 oh. Someone spun out in front of him. Oh, dirt drop, stay in it, Liam. And I'm back here again. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Like, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of our other builds like the LS Skyline or my BMW build. But yeah, stay tuned for Winter Matsuri. We're all booked and packed and ready to go. Make it t-shirts, stickers. We're going to be there. See you there. Bye.